I mean Yumbula, but you can call me the African Yardman as well. But forward from West Africa, the Gold Coast, Ghana, the red, gold, green and the black star in the middle. That did way back in 2014. You know what say I had me did one day though. When my big brother forward back from work, looking away, looking well disturbed. So I walk up to him and say, yo, Ray, I want to go on, how you look so? And him say, boy, you know, so them lock up cartel though. And I say, hey, what I own him cartel? Because in them time there, I never know nothing about dancehall music or a DJ in that genre when him Vibes Cartel. So him sit me down and school me about how cartel was and play some cartel song give me for listen. So right from there, I start follow Vibes Cartel. And then I see him here, an artist from Boya, when him Shatawali released a song what him did call Dancehall King. The song was a big hit in Ghana them time there. The song Sweet Me, I love the song bad. So I end up learning to sing the song word for word. Though I don't understand the language where he sang the Dina still, but guess what? Without big celebrity, people beg me to sing the song, make them hear and I'm alright. So I end up sing for almost everybody around which part me did leave them time there. But one day somebody called me and say, you want me to explain the song game? And I say, ah boy, how this going to happen to me? Because matter of fact, me didn't even understand the song myself when I just learn to sing it. So I make you know what I go on and he say, alright. But make sure say you go find the meaning of the song and come explain give me later. So I go so boom and go my yard and go do one bag of research on the internet about the language and get to find out say it name patwah, spoken by the people of Jamaica. I'm going to do a lot more research and make sure so me study the language good. Me I'll end up a compile a book about the language because from go on the internet I write down the patwah jargons and phrases and write down for the meaning in English and study. Yo, matter of fact, the group there, our good group, you know, are the best WhatsApp group me ever buck up on, me nah lie. Strictly Jamaican patwah them teaching there. So if you see anything you want to know about patwah, just ask the question in your group and if 4 admin them, I'm going to make sure so them answer you in no time. No sir, none of everything, but for everything. For them language, for them music, for them culture, and most importantly, for them sweet food. Uncle God know how long me the end for name some maki and saltfish, you know. Now Vibes Cartel man, Gaza. Just make sure say you listen enough Jamaican song, watch enough Jamaican movies, go on the internet and go study more about it. But I go recommend one channel on YouTube for who want to offer Jamaican patwah. It named Chat Patwah. Yeah, so go on YouTube and go look for that channel here. I want to tell you, I want good channel this year. Yeah. But make sure so when time you find the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like the video them after you done read them.